Alright, I got my deer jerky all cut up here, and in case you're wondering, this is a knife I made. Fillet knife, works great for cutting up deer meat, so check that out. That's green curly maple. Alright, let's get this jerky mixed up. Alright, here we go. I'm going to put the salts in first, and then we're going with the pepper, and the liquids will be last. Regular table salt. Get a good covering on it. Some garlic powder. Onion powder. Smoked hickory salt. Just a little garlic salt. Not too much of that. Just a wee little bit of pink curing salt. Hardly any at all. Alright, that's all I'm putting in for salts. I'm going to move on to the pepper. Regular fine pepper. Get a good covering with that. Some red pepper. Or cayenne. Not too crazy. And some white pepper. I like a good bit of white pepper in there. I'm just eyeball this all the time. You guys can too. Just try not to overpower the pepper or she's going to be hot. Crushed peppers. I like a good bit of them in there. I'm going to put some mustard seeds in it. And coarse black pepper. Now she's going to be hot, but it's good. Alright, I'm down to the liquids. Put a little liquid smoke in there. Not too much. Put a shot of vinegar, apple cider, about 1 shot. Couple shots of soy sauce. Not too much. Now the star of the show is Worcestershire. Probably about a cup of that. We'll give her a good mix up. Oh, it smells good. After I get it mixed, I like to come back in with a little more salt and pepper. See how everything else looks, like a little more crushed peppers. Let's go ahead and give it a little bit more salt, not much. And some fine pepper. And a few more of them crushed peppers. Get that nice and covered like that. Maybe just a little more Worcestershire. And I'm going to call it good. Put that in the fridge overnight, and I'll see you at the Dehydrator. I'm going to start it out at 135 and bump it up to about 150, 155 to finish it off. Now this is also the perfect recipe for bear jerky. I shot a bear back in 2019, made lots of jerky out of it this way with this recipe. Turns out great. So try that out. I bumped it up as hot as it'll go for bear, 160, and you might want to finish it off in the oven. Took about 6.5 hours, and it's some good deer jerky. Hey guys, don't forget, this is the perfect recipe for bear jerky also. Just add some pink salt and turn the temps up on your dehydrator. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching guys.